help me out? Can you let me in? It seems to see that I'm stuck again, trapped between this line.